Forbes is our next speaker. He's in the Te Awakairangi Junior English section. Seth is from Waiarapa High. He's 14 and in year 10. His topic this morning is water is a treasure. His iwi is Ngāti Haroa and Ngāti Pākehā, and he plans to become a social studies teacher and do really well in sports. He enjoys surfing, sports, and school. All my te paki, Seth Forbes.
Water is so precious. So why is it in such short supply? I can tell you what, we are wasting water without even knowing it. Like when we're keeping the tap on for a long time, we've already finished using it. Or using sprinklers when it's just rained the day before. Or even using the dishwasher when we can just wash it by hand. But then again, people are wasting water in huge amounts. Like when farmers use water sprinklers on a hot day, 70% of the water evaporates before it even touches the ground. And when golf owners use hundreds of litres when only a minority plays sport. 1/3 of the world's surface is threatened by desertification, and 24 billion tons of fertile soil disappears annually. And with the help of global warming, which is caused by us, the high temperatures which can last for months are preventing vegetation from growing. Without vegetation comes no soil, and with no soil comes no water. Let me just give you another couple of examples of human-caused errors. People who are forced to move from land to land by war sometimes rip apart the environment. Stripping the ecosystem from the land to make it a suburb makes it dry and flat and making the water salty. In all, 110 countries are potentially threatened by desertification. The continents Africa, Asia, and Latin America are the most threatened. 2/3 of Africa are desert and dryland, and is slowly getting bigger. It's the same with Asia, being dryland and some 1.7 billion hectares. But with Latin America, it's a quarter desert and dryland, but it has one of the most driest places on earth, Chile. And in Chile, there is a place where it hasn't rained in over 500 years. Overall, there have been countless deaths caused by drought. Water is the life source. It's the most precious substance man has ever known. And we're running out of our true gold.